So you want to learn about AI and tech? Well, Google just unleashed Google Skills, which is an amazing platform with over 3,000 plus courses from the top tech companies out there that you can start learning for free today. Let me show you how it works. So this right here is Google Skills. Build AI skills for tomorrow today. So you can basically just enter what is it that you want to learn, and it will create an entire learning path designed for your learning. And once I log in, this is what I basically see. Over here, I can either select any course that I want to go with, or I can actually choose from their extensive catalog and pick the course that I want to go ahead with. And this is not just about, prompt engineering. This could be as detailed as TensorFlow. So you can learn about machine learning and image classification. You can go and search for anything that you want to learn about. Generative AI, let's search that. When you do that, you get tons and tons of courses that you can enroll in. They have paths, which are Generative AI Leader, for example, that you can start with. These will have 5 activities. So not only are you looking at videos, you're also applying your learning by solving real-world problems. And you can see all the courses in this learning path. Beyond the chatbot, unlock foundational concepts, navigate the landscape, Gen AI apps, transform your work, Gen AI agents. So you get everything from just this one learning path itself. And again, you can start enrolling for it by simply making a free account on skills.google. This is a learning path, but we also have shorter courses that you can enroll in. For example, we have this course right here, which is all about the Vertex AI, which is like their developer environment for you to try out all the Google's latest AI LLM models. For example, Introduction to Gemini Pro. You can learn about prompt design. You can learn about the Vertex AI Studio. And at the end, you will also get a course badge. So the best thing about Google Skills is that it not only gives you access to all of these courses, but you also get certificates, you get skill badges, and the topmost level, you get access to Google Career certificates. Now, these are given to you from Google Cloud, which you can actually mention in your CV, and it is recognized by the biggest companies worldwide. And as you can see, they have learning paths for almost anything in tech, be it data engineer, cloud engineer, machine learning engineer. You can even go from different categories. For example, you have Google AI Essentials course over here, and so on and so forth. You can even go for collections, AI Boost Bytes, for example, a new way to learn AI. Learn AI in 10 minutes with AI Boost Bytes, so you can explore the catalog. So you can basically learn real skills of how to use AI in your life. Or you can simply just search over here, prompt engineering, and you will get a course which is around that, Prompt Engineering Guide by Google Cloud. You can click on this and you can start learning it right here. So there is the course, this is the transcript, and once I have learned it, I can mark it as completed. I can solve this quiz right here. And at the end of it, once this is good, I will get a course certificate as well. How cool is that? So this right here is Google Skills. You even get a streaks and achievements badge over here. So again, a great way to gamify your experience and make sure that you're learning as much as possible. So that is Google Skills. Go try it out today with a link in the description and tell me if you like it. What is one skill that you want to learn on this platform? And I'll see you in the next video. Share this with a friend and follow for more.